Sunset Ford of Waterloo serviced. Real gas sipper. Creapuff. This beautiful 2009 Ford Fusion is not going to disappoint. There you have it, short and sweet. New car test drive said it. Combines the best features of a great European economy car with those of a sporty Japanese sedan. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2009 Fusion 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality. This is an outstanding one-owner Fusion and it's ready for you to take home today. No sordid history on this one-owner Creapuff. This car is nicely equipped. Don't close the deal till sunset, a family tradition since 1912. Call us today at 618-939-6171 or visit our website